Hey everyone, so my name is Matthew Mead. I'm the founder and CEO of Hempitecture. We're a public benefit corporation that specializes in what we believe are the most truly sustainable building materials on the planet. And I'm here today with my co-founder and business partner, Tommy Gibbons.
Hi, I'm Tommy Gibbons. I'm the Chief Operations Officer at Hempitecture. I help manage all the company's financial and operational logistics to keep us moving forward.
Our mission is to help build healthier, more energy efficient environments using all natural carbon neutral materials. And we do that by using a rapidly renewable feedstock, industrial hemp, to create these materials.
So you can see our insulation in the walls over here. That's called hemp wool. It's installed just like fiberglass insulation or mineral insulation. And it's an easy way to insulate your home by using a low embodied carbon product. So we are the US distributors for this material, and we are now transitioning to onshoring manufacturing to Southern Idaho to be able to reach more customers, lower our costs, lower our lead times, and lower our carbon footprint too.
Yeah, it's a really exciting moment in our company because we're in the midst of a capital campaign, which is really focused on creating our Southern Idaho manufacturing facility. And not only will this manufacturing facility help us produce hemp wool here in the United States, but we'll get to support US farmers by buying agricultural commodities that are grown here in the States. We'll be creating green, healthy jobs in Southern Idaho. So we're really excited about where we're at now and the future of where manufacturing these truly sustainable building materials can go. In general, we're really thrilled to be having our business located in Idaho, and we're feeling very appreciative of the resources that we're afforded here in Idaho. Especially now as we're working through the iGEM program, which is soon to kick off with the University of Idaho. Just tapping into the resources that they have there is really exciting. So the Hempitecture origin story really kind of began when I was an undergraduate student studying architecture and environmental sciences, and kind of felt that the two were disconnected. We impose this built world on the natural world, yet there is this correlation. I was looking at different countries and what are they doing to create and manufacture next generation building materials. And ultimately, I learned about industrial hemp as a rapidly renewable feedstock. And we're using the fiber from industrial hemp to create our primary building material, as Tommy mentioned before, hemp wool insulation. About 90% of our hemp wool insulation is natural fiber. The other 10% is binder. Of course, over the years, from that time in college to where we are now, planning out a 20,000 square foot manufacturing facility, a lot has changed and our vision has morphed and grown. So the origin story is just kind of a small portion of where we are today. But with Tommy coming on board a few years ago and our new public benefit corporation formation, we've really charted a new future for Hempitecture, which is building material company that's going to create and design and manufacture the next 100 years of building materials that we're using in this country. So, over the years, the products that we focus on have morphed a little bit. We really started out with kind of a niche building material that's often referred to as Hempcrete or hemp lime. It's a building material derived from the wooden core of the hemp stalk and limestone. When mixed with water, it solidifies and sets up in a highly insulating, fireproof wall assembly. So we started to look at more scalable approaches to creating a building product that could not just go in 15 homes, but could go in hundreds of homes, thousands of homes, hundreds of thousands of homes. And that's where we've arrived at hemp wool insulation. That material we're currently importing from an international source, but we are building out a manufacturing facility in Southern Idaho, as Tommy mentioned before, to domesticate that supply chain.
So we're expanding our team. We expect to have a few new hires over the coming month, which is really awesome. And we are making strides to start manufacturing in Idaho. So we'll have a groundbreak hopefully at some point this summer on our facility. And then this time next year, we'll be actually printing insulation from this manufacturing facility. So that's going to be our first manufacturing campus. And then, there's visions to build that out and expand as our capacity and need gets bigger, and then maybe add other products as well.
I think there's a huge amount of opportunity afforded here in this state, and it's really a pleasure to be located here and to grow our business here.